my name is Charlie Carlotta, and I'm with the Soaring solo community. I have written 2 one-woman plays, and my latest one is called Nursing is My Life. One woman's story of how nursing sucks. And by the way, I am a registered nurse, so I know of which I speak. So I am going to give you a tip on writing parodies, because in both my shows I have live music, I sing quite a bit, and I sing parodies that I write. And I do this because parodies are just another way to tell your story. And some of my parodies are a little dramatic, but hopefully some of my parodies are funny and move the show along. Now, how do I do it? I can only tell you how I do it. And that is, the first thing I do is choose a melody. I don't choose a song because I don't want to think about the words that are already in that song. I just want the melody. So anyway, I get out my iPod and I go through my list, because some of these songs, and yes, I still use an iPod, but some of these songs I haven't heard for a year, 2 years, or 10 years. But the point is that when I hear the song, if I want to play it again, I know it's resonating with me, but especially if I want to play it again and again and again. And then the next thing you know, I have it in my head going, and it's like, okay, this is the song I'm going to choose. And the next thing, of course, is writing the lyrics. And probably 90 to 95% of the song are my own words. And how do I write the lyrics? Well, it's just a matter of the same way that you wrote your script. It has to come from the heart. It has to be something that you feel strongly about, that you really want to tell your story. So the words just come the same way. The harder part about a parody is make them fit into the musical notes, and sometimes you have to make them rhyme. Of course, you can always go and look at synonyms and try and find words that will fit in better. And you want to keep the same amount of, like, I call it syllables, beats, whatever. And usually if I have a problem and I can't get the words to fit, I'd say to myself, I've got the wrong song. So I throw it all out and I start over, and I go back to my iPod and I find another song that really resonates with me. And 9 times out of 10, the words that I wrote for the first melody fit in with this melody. And you don't need to use the whole song. There's only, I think, 2 times where I use the whole song. Otherwise, I just use a verse or I use the chorus only, because my show's a one-woman show. It's an hour and 15 minutes long. So there isn't time to have all these, 3-4 minute songs in your show. So anyway, that's pretty much the way I do it. And I can give you an example. This is a song from, it's called 9 to 5. It's from that movie 9 to 5. And so I'll just give you a little bit. I got to sing it a cappella, so hopefully I'm not off key here, but here goes. Wondering what it would be like in another world, where work is more civil and nice. No blood, vomit, poop, and urine. I can go to the bathroom when I need to. Lunch at noon, dinner at 6. Well, I think I like working 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5. So you get the picture. And if you want to see more parodies or see my show, it's good for nurses, and it's especially good for non-nurses to see what's going on in the medical world. Anyway, it's going to be Saturday, December 16th, 8 p.m. at the Zephyr Theater in Los Angeles. I hope the tip helped you. Bye.